Alright everyone, so you should be at the end of the scavenger hunt, and now we are going to watch this video for a quick review of how to navigate through my Common Learning page. This is going to be your one-stop shop for any resources or review that you need to help you succeed in my classroom. And so you're going to want to bookmark this page because you are going to come to it very often, and it will be really helpful to have easy access to it. So let's go ahead and explore and review what we did in the scavenger hunt. I'll move myself over there. Okay, so this is the home page. As you can see, there's this email me button. If you click on that, it will pull up your Outlook, your email app, and you can send me an email if you ever want to say hi or set up a time to meet with me or ask a question. Then down here we have a little message from me to you. And then we have student office hours. So during our independent time, we call it asynchronous time, you can meet with me one-on-one or with a small group to ask a question about class. Maybe you were absent, or maybe you got lost at some point and you need some additional guidance on what you're supposed to be doing during your time. Then just click on this link and it will take you to a document with how to open my Google Meet link. And then these are the times for Monday through Thursday and then on Fridays. This is not the only time I am available, but the time that I will be actively in a Google Meet link that you can join at any time. Below we have common classroom links that we will go to throughout the year. I might add to that, but for now we just have those. And then here are PSD links you may need, district-wide, and then also Canard links you may need. So that's the home page. And then we just have 3 tabs that we need to look at. This is the daily agenda tab. If you are absent, or if you're in independent work time, asynchronous time, and forget what you're supposed to do, or didn't write it down in your planner, you will come here and you can open this slideshow. You'll just click on it and it will open, or click on this little guy right here. But this walks you through exactly what we did during our Google Meet live session. You can access the slides that we went over in our Google Meet right there, as well as what was our learning target for the day and what are your tasks. So my tasks refer to what you need to finish during asynchronous time, during independent time at the end of the day. So that is a great spot for you to go. The first slide, when you click on Daily Agenda, will be that current day. And if you were absent maybe a couple days, just open the slideshow and find the day you were absent to figure out what you missed. Okay? Then we have Mrs. Han's virtual classroom. So this is just a fun way to kind of get to know me a little bit better and be in class in a way that we can. So if you open this, let's see if I can move this up. You will see my little virtual classroom here. And if we click through the slides, we have a table of contents, and you can click on these and they will take you directly to that slide. But if we're looking through, this is my desk area, and so as you can see, I have a coffee cup. I am always drinking coffee, and some posters that I like and some things I love to do. And then you should have, during the scavenger hunt, clicked on this that opened a link that will take you to a page where you can learn a little bit more about me. So if you haven't done that yet in the scavenger hunt, you might want to do that just to learn a little bit more about me. Then we have, let's open it again, the virtual classroom library. And again, during the scavenger hunt, if you clicked on these books, they placed you into a new tab that was the Poudre Library for you to see if those books are available for you to check out and read as well. These are just some of my favorite books right now. Again, throughout the year, I might update them and change them, so you might just want to come back and check if you need a new book to read. And then you can click on these posters if you are struggling to find a book. Those links that are embedded in these posters, if you click on them, it will take you to a new link. And these are just some books that you could look at if you really are struggling to find a book. Okay? Both posters have a different link. And then lastly, it's just a little visual, oops, my bad. The last slide is a slide that will show you exactly what you need to bring to class each day. This is just a visual to kind of help you know, like, what am I supposed to have at my desk when I show up to Mrs. Hahn's Google Meet? And it's your English notebook, your planner, and then some pens and pencils. I really like to have a lot of colorful pens, easily accessible, and so you might want to have something like that because we will be taking notes. And other things you could have are, sticky notes or things like that. But if I ever need you, absolutely need you to bring those things to class, I will inform you the day before. Okay? So that is my virtual classroom, and that is in that tab. And I'm going to move myself over here. Oops. And let's look at the resources tab. So this is the same for every single one of your teachers, but if you're really struggling to figure out the ins and outs of what school looks like right now, you can come to this resource page and it will walk you through most questions that you might have to start off this year. So just the basics for getting on your computer, how to reset your password, checking your email, checking grades, how to use Google Classrooms. It even has some pictures that will show you what it looks like. How to take pictures of your homework. If your teacher ever says, email me a picture of your homework or upload a picture to Google Classroom, and you're like, I don't know how to do that, and she went over it in class and I forgot. Don't worry, just come to this resource page, which is the same for every teacher, so you could go to any Common Learning page, and you can look at that, okay? Some Google Meet etiquette to go over that's the same for all teachers in their Google Meets, okay? So that is my Common Learning page, and I just really need you to make sure that you bookmark this. If you don't know how, I'll show you right now, but you're going to go up here, you're going to go to these three little dots, you're going to click bookmark, and then you will bookmark this tab. And then you can name it 6th grade English or whatever you want. And then it will show up in this little bar right here, and then you never have to find it again. It will just be really easy to access. So I would love for you to do that if you haven't already. And then just finish up that scavenger hunt and turn it in to Google Classroom, and you're all set for today. I am so excited to start this year with you all, and just know it's not going to look perfect, but we will figure this out. We are in this together, and I'm always here for you. Thanks, you guys.